Hello guys, here I have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will tell you what is a AI pattern function and how to activate it. So AI pattern function saves frequently used cycles and settings. When you turn the function on, the washing machine remembers the cycles you use most and their settings like a temp, rinse, spin, and display them in frequency order. To switch it on, just hold the function button for 3 seconds, turn to the right side of the all, and as you can see there have an AI pattern. To manage the function, click on the O button to switch it off or switch it on. And basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.